welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 ways to make money in the Metaverse. If you don't know what the Metaverse is, it's basically a virtual world where you can create, explore, socialize, and even work and earn money. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's not just a sci-fi concept anymore. There are already many platforms and projects that are building the Metaverse, such as Decentraland, Sandbox, Roblox, and Facebook Horizon. And there are also many opportunities to make money in the Metaverse, whether you are a gamer, a creator, an investor, or an entrepreneur. So without further ado, let's get into the 10 ways to make money in the Metaverse. 1. Create and sell digital assets. One of the most popular ways to make money in the Metaverse is to create and sell digital assets, such as avatars, clothing, accessories, furniture, art, music, games, and more, using platforms like Decentraland, Sandbox, or Roblox to create your own digital items and sell them on marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, or Neftify. This will also help to earn royalties every time someone uses or resells your assets. 2. Rent or sell virtual land. Another way to make money in the Metaverse is to rent or sell virtual land. Virtual land is a scarce and valuable resource in the Metaverse, as it allows you to build your own experiences and attract visitors. You can buy virtual land on platforms like Decentraland, Sandbox, or Somnium Space and then rent it out to other users or businesses or sell it for a profit. Then you can also monetize your land by hosting events, advertising, or charging fees. 3. Provide services or skills. If you have a service or skill that you can offer online, so try to provide it in the Metaverse. For example, be a virtual tour guide, a teacher, a coach, a therapist, a designer, a developer, a writer, or musician, a performer, or anything else that you can do remotely. Use platforms like Verschot, Res, Room, or Altspace Server to find clients and deliver your services in a more engaging and immersive way. 4. Play and stream games. If you love playing games, so you can also make money by playing and streaming games in the Metaverse. You can join platforms like Axie Infinity, the Sandbox, or Star Atlas, where you can earn tokens or NFTs by playing games, completing quests, or participating in battles, and try to stream your gameplay on platforms like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook, and earn money from donations, subscriptions, or sponsorships. 5. Invest in Metaverse projects. If you have some capital and want to invest in the future of the Metaverse, this will help you to make money by investing in Metaverse projects as well. Buy tokens or NFTs of platforms, games, or creators that you believe in and hold them for long-term appreciation. You can also join DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, that govern and fund Metaverse projects and earn rewards for your contribution. 6. Curate and share content. If you have a passion and knowledge for the Metaverse, then you can also make money by curating and sharing content. And create a blog, a podcast, a newsletter, a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, or any other media platform where you can share your insights, opinions, reviews, tutorials, or news about the Metaverse, and earn money from ads, sponsorships, subscriptions, or tips. 7. Host or attend events. If you enjoy hosting or attending events, then you can also make money by hosting or attending events in the Metaverse. Host events like concerts, festivals, conferences, workshops, parties, or weddings and charge tickets, donations, or fees. You can also attend events and earn money by performing networking or learning and can use platforms like Decentraland, Sandbox, or CryptoVoxels to host or attend events in the Metaverse. 8. Trade or lend tokens or NFTs. If you have some tokens or NFTs that you don't need or want to use, it can also help you to make money by trading or lending them in the Metaverse. So you can trade your tokens or NFTs on platforms like Uniswap, SushiSwap, or Aave and earn profits from price fluctuations or arbitrage opportunities, Lend your tokens or NFTs on platforms like Compound, Maker, or NFT and earn interest from borrowers. 9. Join or create a community. Connecting with like-minded people. You can also make money by joining or creating a community in the metaverse. Joining community in the metaverse, joining communities that share your interests, hobbies, goals, or values, and earn money by contributing, collaborating, or supporting. Create your own community and earn money by growing, managing, or monetizing it. You can use platforms like Discord, Telegram, or Twitter Spaces to join or create communities in the metaverse. 10. Explore and discover opportunities. Finally, one of the best ways to make money in the metaverse is to explore and discover opportunities. The metaverse is a vast and diverse space where new platforms, games, experiences, and projects are constantly emerging. Exploring and discovering opportunities by being curious, adventurous, and open-minded, and by following the trends, news, and influencers in the metaverse. So you will never know what you might find or create in the metaverse. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about 10 ways to make money in the metaverse. As you can see, the metaverse is not only a fun and immersive place to hang out, but also a lucrative and innovative space to create value and generate income. Whether you want to sell your digital assets, offer your skills and services, invest in metaverse projects, or start your own metaverse business, there is something for everyone in the metaverse. So, what are you waiting for? Join the metaverse revolution today and start making money in the virtual world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye.